Good afternoon, fellow Bugsters and Buggets. Once again, you guys already know, duh, because you clicked on the video. Your boy Bug is yet again bringing you another banger. You guys already know that it is going to be a banger because you can see we have the Tesla Model X right there and Clifford, the big red Dodge. Also, I'm going to be filming and editing a bunch of dope drone footage, which is going to be coming up here real soon. Anyhow, I know you guys have clicked on this video because you have seen the thumbnail and the title. First off, I want to say thank you for tuning into the channel, especially to all of my OG subscribers. What is poppin'? You guys already know what is up. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, I want to say welcome, thank you. Hit that subscribe button with post notifications on so you can be up to date on future bangers like this one. I am super duper stoked to be making this video today. Beautiful day here in Utah. The sun is shining. Clifford is all shined up, looking nice and pretty, along with the Tesla is all clean. It's gonna be a good one, you guys. Before we really dive into this video, I wanna bargain with you guys, make a small little deal. If this video reaches 2,000 likes, I will take this Tesla and I think we're gonna do some pranks with it. What I mean by pranks, how funny would it be for me to take this Tesla, which is a full electric car, no gasoline, to a gas station, act like I just bought it and ask random people, how do I fill it up, where do I fill it up, and just see what kind of reaction we can get out of them. I think it'd be hilarious. If you guys want to see that video, go down, smash that like, 2,000 likes, we will get it. Basically, the main thing we're going to be doing in today's video is a little bit of, comparing, contrasting some positives and negatives about a full electric car versus a full-size diesel pickup truck. Before we go over the truck and the Tesla, and I'm gonna kind of see what you guys are thinking at the end, I want you to go down below right now in the comment section and let me know which one you would pick right now. Right this instant, if you had the chance to take Clifford, the big red Dodge, or the Tesla Model X, what would you pick? And then at the very end of this video, I will ask you guys the same question to see if your thoughts and opinions changed about one another. In the meantime, what would you guys pick? I'm not gonna tell you which one I would pick just yet. Braden, you're standing right here. Which one of those two would you take home right now if I had the keys for you?
Obviously the Model X.
What?
I don't know who on this planet would want to drive such an ugly truck.
Dude, that's my truck. Did you not know I'm standing right here?
Oh, I thought that was just your dealership's.
It's actually my dad's.
I'm so sorry.
It's my dad's truck.
I'm so sorry.
I hope you don't watch this because then you just call this truck ugly. It is honestly just such a hard decision to pick between which one you would want. They both just look so freaking good. I know you had to because it was amazing. I am so freaking hyped on how it turned out. And that's why it's such a difficult decision on picking either the Cummins or the Tesla, because they both look so good. Also, if you're wondering why it is so echo-y in here, here's a quick glimpse real quick in our new showroom at our new shop. We went from 3,000 square feet to 9,000 square feet. If you guys want to see a tour on the whole building, all the new cars and trucks and everything we have, let me know down below. Now that all of you have seen the drone footage, and hopefully that helped your decision on picking what one you would take home if you could right this second. But before you make your final decision, I gotta show you the pros and cons and see if that changes anything. I made a list of pros and cons on my phone, that way I hit every single one. We will just start from the top of the list and make our way down. Number 1, Tesla is equipped with the autopilot series, which is very nice. You know, if you're cruising down the interstate and you just want to relax, not too much and fall asleep, you want to take your hands off, just, you know, get comfortable, the car will drive itself for you. No kidding, it's unreal. Where my 2011 Dodge Ram Cummins, at all times, 24/7 behind the wheel, you have to control everything. If you let go of that steering wheel, with those lift wheels and tires, that thing is going to take you right into a barrier or another car, and it is going to be ugly. The Tesla is also equipped with a 100% all-around air ride suspension, which is extremely nice. If you're to go off-roading, you can air the vehicle up. If you're just driving around town, you can air it down, and it just really makes a nice ride out of the vehicle. Did you get that?
Yeah.
My truck, you know, having 9 inches of total lift, 24/16 wheels with stretched 1350 37-inch tires. Going down a road, you feel literally every single bump. Honestly, it rides worse than a German tank. I'm 99% sure of that. Now, before all of you are down below in the comment section like, Bug, you're just roasting and railing on your own truck, making this Tesla look like this beautiful thing. Well, my truck can't outpull that Tesla, so there's a good thing right there. The Tesla, you can get a hitch for it as well and pull some trailers. I'm not 100% sure on the total weight you can pull. I'm sure it's got a decent amount with how much horsepower and torque that vehicle has, but it ain't gonna pull anything Clifford can do. Another cool thing about the Tesla is you will save over $5,000 in fuel in just having that vehicle for over 5 years. Diesel prices kind of going up, doesn't seem like they're going down. You know, I'm about $90 a week just to drive my truck daily, so that makes a lot of sense. Another great thing about my Cummins is the sound of it. Nothing beats the sound of a Cummins. No car, no truck. It is the best sounding engine, hands down. It has a 6.7 liter turbo diesel. It just roars. It sounds amazing. Tesla, on the other hand, half the time you don't even know that it's on because it's electric, and you can sometimes hear the tires to have an idea, oh, we're driving. Distance wise, diesel versus electric, obviously I have to spend a lot more, but I can go slightly longer on one fill up than the Tesla can go on one charge. Still though, you're just using electricity, so I don't know. I think Tesla is going to, you know, get those miles up on how far you can travel, but I guess we'll just have to see in the future. On that same note, Tesla at this time, they do have quite a bit of charging stations, but not even half as many gas stations, which is nice because sometimes you'll think you can make it this far, but you end up not. And so you're like, okay, I'm gonna have to take this next exit, and you're pretty much guaranteed a gas station there. If you were in a Tesla and that happened, I don't know what happens if you run out of a charge in a Tesla. That's a good question. Let me know down below if you guys know. So the Tesla Model X P90D, all-wheel drive, all electric. It is just shy of 700 horsepower. My 2011 3500 Cummins is, I'm guessing, right in the area of 400 to 450. I don't know, it's never been dynoed, but it's got tunes, all sorts of performance mods, but nowhere near as close. With all of those great, fancy, magnificent options I listed with the Model X Tesla, it does come with a very hefty price range of $144,000+. You heard that right. That's 144,000 plus. lots of money. Where my Cummins is about $50, I would say $60,000 brand new, which is just about a third of what the Tesla costs. You guys know me, especially if you're an OG and you have been following this channel for quite some time. I am a motor lover. I love old, ratty gas engine cars. I love old mechanical diesels, newer diesels. This whole electric Tesla experience for me today was completely different, out of the blue, all new to me. Getting to drive the vehicle for just a little bit, it really opened my eyes, especially getting to feel it, see the interior, see everything up close in person. It really gave me a whole nother appreciation for the vehicle itself. The old me, I was like, oh no, heck with Tesla, it's electric, it's gonna be slow, it's boring, you have to charge it, I ain't no hippie, yada yada yada. After experiencing that, I would like one. I would take that exact same car, the Tesla Model X P90D. I would want to own that someday. That is a car I will own, actually, not want, I will own it. And I would use it for like a daily driver, mobbing around town, and it's fast. Who doesn't love fast? My only complaint is you can't hear that you're going fast, but maybe I could just go on the radio and take some V12 Lamborghini sound and crank it all the way up while driving. I don't know, maybe that'll help. Now, you guys have seen the car, you know what it looks like, the performance, what it can do, you know all the statistics about it, you know how my truck looks, the statistics about it, everything it can do. What would you pick right now if I had the keys to my truck and the keys to the Tesla and you got to pick one? What would you guys take? Let me know down below in the comment section. Be 100% honest. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. Me personally, I would, you guys, don't get mad at me. I would take the Tesla. I'm sorry. I'm taking the Tesla. No, I couldn't. I've dropped my phone twice now doing this. For real note though, God, I'd still take the Tesla. It's so nice. You can't beat how luxurious it is, the technology, let alone the horsepower. Like, those are the three main things. But I will always make sure I have a big, nice, lifted Cummins before the day goes and I end up buying one. I gotta have both, I'm sorry. That is pretty much going to start to wrap things up. If there's any other videos you guys wanna see with the Tesla, like me taking it to multiple gas stations and asking random people how to fill it up, see what kind of reaction we can get out of them, have them say how stupid I am, but I'll just play dumb. I'll be like, look, I just bought this car, how do I fill it up? Please help me. If you guys want to see that funny video, go down below, 2,000 likes on this video and I will make it happen. You guys know, your boy Bug keeps it real. I am always chit-chatting with everyone down below in the comment section. I love getting to know you guys. I love just having conversation with you because you support me and I am so blessed and very appreciative of it, and I'm always going to be cool with you guys. I love chit-chatting. So if you just want to let me know how your day's going, ears are open. You guys can tell we are in the new 9,000 square foot shop. There is so many vehicles on the other side of me. Just, oh, it's such a huge shop. I want you guys to see it so bad, but I'm not going to make a video unless you guys really want to see that. So again, just let me know, and if you want to see it, I'll do it. I truly do love every single one of you. I am blessed, very appreciative of everyone's support. Thank you so much. If you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please do, with post notifications so you can always be up to date on the future bangers. Your boy Bug is out. If you enjoyed this video, please go down and smash a like on it. Leave a comment letting me know what you thought. I love you. Peace.